when you get an equation, it can be a little bit more difficult because you have to do a little bit more mental math to figure things out. And more mental math means more chances of errors or notation errors. What I find works the best for, I'm going to want to put in whatever g of 9 is in there. But sometimes the mental math is easy, and sometimes it's not super easy. You'd have to actually do a little bit of work. I think this one's not bad, but I actually would, off to the side here, figure out what g of 9 is on its own. Well, how do I find out what g of 9 is? I'm going to plug in 9 into the g machine. So here would be 2 times 9 plus 1, negative 18 plus 1, negative 17. And then over here, that's all that I write inside. Sometimes I find that students try to do all of this math inside the brackets here, and things get messy, and they forget to write some part of it, and then all of a sudden we make mistakes. So to keep things simple, I do a little bit of work off to the side. That's my g of 9. I got negative 17. Now I have to figure out f of negative 17. And this one, if you did it off to the side, I think that would be fine. If you did it right underneath, because that's all that's left to do, I think it would be fine as well. Okay, but what do you have to do for f of negative 17? You have to square it. Oh, 17 times table, a little bit of pressure on the mental math. 289, very nice. 289. And then 3 times 17. Minus 51. $238. Now in part B, we have to find g of f of 9. I'm going to let you try that first on your own. All right, let's check how you did. I do the f of 9 off to the side. That's going to be 9 squared plus 3 times 9. 81 plus 27. Did you get 108? And then if you plug 108 into g, you're just going to go negative 2 times 108 plus 1. Negative 216 plus 1. Did you get negative 215? Uh-oh.
Yeah, I got 13.
Oh. What, do you see where you went?
Mayhaps.
Did you have 108? Maybe it was the 2 times 108 that went wrong.
Maybe at 6 times 2 in his mind or something.
Maybe. All right. Questions. 6, 8, and 9.
It's not negative.